Welcome to Simply Logical. This is Venkatesh. In this video, I am presenting you one more interesting math puzzles. This is an excellent puzzle. Fill the correct values in the box so that it satisfies every possible equation. This problem is interesting for one main reason is because of the division operator. Hence, this problem will definitely raise a lot of questions in the mind about the approach required to solve the problem with the correct answer in less time. I will present you the most efficient way to get the correct answer. Pause the video and give a try before checking the solution, and do not forget to comment if you found interesting methodologies to solve the problem. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so that you do not miss any of our videos. Let's check the solution now. If you start randomly picking some random numbers and placing in the box, it will not work most of the time. The most efficient way to solve this problem is by creating equations. Let's call the boxes as A, B, C and D. Let's quickly write the equations. As per the diagram, the equations are A plus B equals 10, C plus D equals 20, A by C equals 40, D by D equals 30. Let's call these equations as 1, 2, 3 and 4. Equations 3 and 4 can be written as A equals 40C and B equals 30D. Call these equations as 5 and 6. Since there is a division operator to be performed, which makes the puzzle more interesting and difficult. If you observe the equations properly by using only these equations, it's not possible to find the solution. Now is the time to think out of the box. Let's check the relation between boxes in the equation. We have equations which have relation with each other apart from A and D, B and C. Let's try to build the equation which can have relation with A and D, B and C. Let's consider equation 1. Equation 1 is A plus B equals 10. As per the equation 6, B equals 30D. Substitute the value of B in equation 1, which results in A plus 30D equals 10. This is the equation which tells the relation between A and D. We know from equation 5, A equals 40C. Substitute the value of A in the equation becomes 40C plus 30D equals 10. Now substitute the value of C from equation 2. In equation 2, C equals 20 minus D. After substituting, now equation becomes 40 into 20 minus D plus 30D equals 10. Solving this equation, it becomes 800 minus 10 equals 10D. After solving this, the value of D is 79. So this is the value of the box D. Once we get the value of one box, then it becomes easy to find the value of other boxes. From equation 6, B equals 30D. After substituting the value of D, equation becomes B divided by 79 equals 30. Solving this, we get 2370. This is the value of B. From equation 2, C plus D equals 20. Substituting the value of D, equation becomes C equals 20 minus 79. Solving this, we get minus 59. This is the value of C. Now we have the value for the box D, B and C. Now let's check the value of A. From equation 1, A plus B equals 10. Now we know the value of B. Substituting the value of B, equation becomes A equals 10 minus 2370. After solving this, we get minus 2360. This is the value of A. Now we have all the values. D equals 79, B equals 2370, C equals minus 59 and A equals minus 2360. By following these simple steps, we can solve the problem in minimum time. Thanks for watching this math video. Please help by subscribing for free to get the newest videos watching. And you can email me a puzzle which you're finding difficult to understand. I will help in solving the puzzle in simple steps. Thanks for watching and thanks for your support.